Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mask Monday. Welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing something to take care of yourself today. I'm going to start this and then I'll tell you more about it. I have a few things to tell you all about. Sometimes these that you rip off, it doesn't really rip off well for me. Let me get a scissor and we'll cut it. Make sure you push the mask down in the package so that you don't cut it. And let's see what it looks like here. Oh, this is a gel mask. This might not be the easiest thing to do on camera. Well, it has a liner, which is nice. And then what you really should do, not sure that I can because I usually cannot, is open that up and put this on with the liner to help you, and then take the liner off. So we're gonna try it since I was able to do that. It has a little bit of a scent like a flower. I don't know. Okay, here. All right, let's see. So it's clear. Oh, this is really cool. You know, usually gel masks have a little bit of a color to them. This is just completely clear. And I do have one of those masks that hold things on, but it's so tight around my ears and stuff, it's hard to talk in them. So let's see if I can just make sure this is on all right. I think it's pretty good. Hey, that's nice. Okay, so I got these masks from Temu. I have my Temu Summer Vibes collaboration going on right now. It started on Saturday, and you've got 2 weeks to watch, everybody. There's 7 channels, so not overwhelming, hopefully. And I show this on there. Look at how. You know, for a gel mask, I gotta tell you, this is nice. It's not sliding or anything. So this package, this is how stuff comes to me from Temu. If you all order from Temu, you know, they put things in bags. So this was in the bag with a bunch of other stuff, so smash, you know. But they're sheet masks, so they're okay inside. I have one in the giveaway for, you know, and then I've got this one that I just opened up. There's a lot of essence still in here. And it's pretty much in Korean back there, so I can't read it. I'm assuming that's Korean. It could be Chinese, I suppose. Could be Japanese. It says to leave this on for 15 minutes. It's ginseng. That does sound Japanese to me, but I don't know that that is. It's seaweed collagen crystal facial mask, it says. And am I seeing anything? New research, skin management program, it says, and I don't see anywhere on here where it says country of origin. So China, Japan, Korea, not sure. But this is really nice. If you're looking for a gel mask, you might like this one. I don't remember the price of it for the 5 of them. I think it was like $5 and change, I think, or 6 and change. Yeah, there were 5 in there. Anyway, let's move on. So like I said, use that to guide you if you can, because once you start peeling the gel off of this, sometimes it'll just be like a stripping. You'll be, oh goodness, how am I going to get that on? So this is the way I did it was the way you're supposed to do it, and I hardly ever get to do it that way. Anyway, y'all. So let me tell you about the collaboration. If you're interested, and it's Temu summer items, mostly things that we like for summer, things that you might like for summer. And in the collaboration with me is Trisha's house, and Trisha does a lot of Temu, and she also does Dollar Tree and different things like that. So go check her out if you don't know her yet. Smile Until It Hurts, they do a lot of Temu as well. And the ones that do the Temu all the time, they probably have affiliate links. I forgot to mention that in the giveaway, but if you want to buy anything from Temu, go check out the use their affiliate links, because that will definitely help you, you know, with coupons and saving money. So Smile Until It Hurts is Eric and George, and they're super funny, y'all. They'll make you laugh. They'll make you laugh and have a good time. And then we have Reviews with Sue, and she definitely is an affiliate. I'm thinking that Eric and George are, and I'm thinking that Trisha is, and also Teddy from Nona's Place. But Reviews with Sue, she does a lot of unboxings, and she hasn't been doing as much on her channel, but she still has a great channel, so go check her out. And that brings me to Nona's Here. Nona's Here is Teddy and Grumpy Grandpa, and Teddy does a lot of Temu as well. So a lot of the channels may have affiliate codes for Temu. See what they say, and check their if they might not mention it, and check their description. And then Tea Time Adventures is in this with me as well, and that's Teresa, and we've been friends for a really long time, as well as Single Mom Review, which is Sherry. We've been friends for a long time, so since I started my channel. So I really like the way this feels. It's very nice and moisturizing, and it's staying on, and I'm messing with it. I need to stop messing with it. So I am recommending this so far. Let's see, what else do I have to tell you? There's Smudge. Smudge has been, I'm surprised he's not right here. He's been just right here on me all day, all day. I wanted to tell you about this, y'all. I went to Aldi, ALDI grocery. I call it Aldi. That's the way we called it up north. But down here in the South, a lot of people say Aldi. So I'm not sure how to say it. I think somebody told me once, and I can't remember what the right way to say it is. But anyway, ALDI, if you know the store, they have a lot of groceries, and they have other things. And they're a small grocery compared to others, but they have some specialty items. They have great deals if you like to make charcuterie boards. They have great deals on things for that, and they just have they've got really nice produce, limited selection. I know that some stores are bigger than others. When I go to Chicago, my mom's Aldi is bigger than mine, but I'm very happy to have one here because I can save a lot of money on my groceries. So, but they don't have everything you need. Okay, but anyway, they rearranged my store. So it used to be the aisles were like half aisles, and so you could walk down the middle and then skip stuff, but now they're a whole aisle, so you got to go up and back and up and back. So I'm in the lane, and I'm driving through the lane, and I'm like, well, I might as well look at the stuff since I'm here. And they had this, and these look so much like the Neutrogena face masks. I mean, I'm sorry, not the Neutrogena face wipes. So I don't know, I don't know if they're a dupe for them. I'm not sure. So I'm like, I'm gonna get it and look at how much it is, because the Neutrogena's, this bag Neutrogena of how many are in here? 30 probably, or thereabouts. Does it not say? There's 25. I think it would be probably $10-ish, I'm thinking, Neutrogena, and they're really good. They're really nice size, they're really good quality. But this was 99 cents. It did say on the tag, it wasn't a sale tag, but it was crossed out, down from $1.69. So I hope that doesn't mean they're selling out of them. But anyway, they're getting rid of them, But I bought it, and I used one, and I really like it. I'm going to show you. It does say makeup remover, cleansing towelettes. Removes long-lasting makeup, including waterproof mascara. Dermatologist approved, ophthalmologically tested, alcohol and oil-free. Compared, it does say, I didn't see this until just now, y'all. This is because I just go fast over things. Compared to Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelettes. So y'all, check that out on Amazon. They're expensive. Okay, so you open it like this, and these are very, very nice. I have not had a Neutrogena towelette in a while, but I will say these are very much compared to them. They're good size. Look at how how big they are. They're a good size. And they're not just a thin like toilet paper that's gonna fall apart. That's when, you know, some wipes you use it and they fall apart. This has a good thickness to it. And it smells good. It doesn't have a strong scent, but it smells a little bit like, it's a little flowery smelling. Like lilacs maybe or something. So you might not like that if you don't, you know, but the scent didn't seem offensive to me. So I just wanted to share that with you because I just am really impressed with them for 99 cents. So I'll keep a lookout and hopefully they're not getting rid of these. The thing about Aldi is they don't always have the same things all the time, but this is something in their generic area. So I think they'll have it. I don't know. We'll see going forward. So I just thought I would share that with you because I thought that was a really good find. And then y'all, in my collaboration video for Temu, I showed y'all these. This is from the brand PHLUR, Fleur. Okay, I have 4 of them. This top got broken. Caramel skin, vanilla smoke, heavy cream, and vanilla skin. And what you're to do with these is to, you can just use, you know, say you like the heavy cream, just use it. Actually, this one is the one that they mostly say to mix it. So say, all right, this one would be maybe caramel skin. You just want to smell really good like caramel. Spray this on you. It can go on your body, it can go on your hair. It's not a perfume like a thickness of a perfume. It's like a body spray. So you know might spray it throughout the day and in your hair, and it can go everywhere. And they encourage you to mix and match. So you mix it with the heavy cream, mix it with the vanilla smoke, you know, that kind of thing. So that's what I know about it, is just from Temu and seeing other creators show it. And then just so happened this weekend, I'm just scrolling on something, MSN or something, and there's Martha Stewart's favorite scents. And this brand is one of her favorites. She's got a top 10. This is in her top 10, this Fleur. Who knew? I didn't know. Of course, if you are perfume people, you probably knew, but I didn't know. I thought this was just some, you know, like a lot of stuff on Temu is, you know, generic-y kind of stuff, or they try to fake you out on real items. But this looks just like it. I think this is real. I mean, they look real to me. So I just wanted to tell you about that. And that might be about it, y'all. You have anything to say, let me know in the comments. And if you are Tammy Fusion, I said that wrong. I was saying it correctly and now I just said it wrong. Tammy Fusan. Please get in touch with me, my dear. We've been talking back and forth and I emailed you and you didn't answer me. So email me back if you will. And y'all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you all. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you do something to take care of yourself. If not, every day. This is a thing to do every day. Take the 15 to 30 minutes for yourself. Of course, we don't always have time to do that. So at least once a week, you must take care of yourself, because I know you are taking care of everybody. So you have to take care of yourself. You have to be healthy and well to be able to take care of everybody else. So please do that. Okay? Please do that. Take care of yourself. Y'all, it's almost 15 minutes. Let's take it off and see. We'll take it off. Oh my goodness, it's staying on so well. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with it. So let's take it off and see, you know, okay, that's what she looks like off. There's still a lot of good essence on there. This is nice, y'all. So, all right, so there's essence here that's really good. Feels good. And then what you're supposed to do is, you know, rub this in. Don't pull on your skin. Look at my bags. Good golly. Okay. Maybe, you know, put some of that down on your neck. There's more in here that you can squeeze out, you know, squeeze it out in your hand. There you go. Put it on your neck. If you have extras, you can put it on your arms, your legs, whatever. Just use that essence up. And my skin feels very cool and refreshed. It does. Now, I don't know how it looks to you, but I feel cool and refreshed. So I like these, y'all. So if you get a chance, if you see them, and you know, just because I told you that price, I didn't know the price, but whatever, $5, $6, whatever it was, the link is in the, if I remember, I'll put the link in here too. When you go looking, you might find them cheaper, or they might just be cheaper that day that you go looking, that you throw them in your cart. And sometimes I have learned, throw stuff in your cart on Temu, and then don't buy it yet. And then in a day or two, they'll send you emails about how this went on sale or this is now a penny. Like, what? So yeah, look for those kind of deals. And then go check out the other channels and see who is an affiliate and get their links so that you can get coupons and stuff. Y'all, count your blessings. Bye-bye.